Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. We're gonna make a fast video today about something I wanna share with you guys. Alright. Guys, as you all know, I have huge love for all my Amigas. And I have through my purchase of all these Amigas, I have got a lot of hardware and software, and one of the coolest stuff about this is actually the different joysticks. Now, back then I had the cheapest quickshot joystick ever, and I was so happy with it. My uncle that introduced me for the Amiga, he had the next model that had auto fire on and off, and it was incredible. So I started this back in 2018, and I've actually got quite few new old stock stuff. I have actually got joysticks, about 30 or 40 joysticks, as you can see the condition here, in amazing condition, because they're actually from these 30-40 joysticks. They were just on display. They wasn't used. They were just, standing there, and they're just new old stock. And I found out about this joystick. I didn't knew this back in the days, guys. The ZipStick. I mean, the arcade is maybe the most popular today, and the control is incredible on the arcade, but it's missing auto fire, and that just kills it for me. Now this one, the control here is incredible, guys, and it has got auto fire on and off. And as you can see, this one, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but again on display. And the others I have that are used, they're just blank on top here. But as you can see, this, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but I have quite a few of these brand new in box, and they're absolutely amazing to play with. So precise, everything with micro switches, auto fire on and off. So the ZipStick is my absolute favorite joystick for the Amiga. Absolutely. Now back then, before the era of Amiga, we had Commodore 64s, and with the Commodore 64s here in Denmark, most people actually had these Wico joysticks. I remember Wico Command, black and red buttons, and the stick could have controller like this, or a round one, or a ball here on top with the button and the sound. Very popular back then. I remember used it a lot, but this one was actually also from Wico, the Boss stick here, also very popular. But today, so much nostalgic feelings with these, but gameplay-wise, for the Amiga, I don't recommend it. It's missing auto fire, but But I just want to show you this again. This is from the box with all the new old stock. I mean, look at the condition. Look here, just no scratch, no nothing. Great condition. But look what I found. Now I have a couple of these, but they are all rusty. They're rusty inside, they're destroyed, they don't work, and here they have, corrosion and all that. But I just found this one, guys, and I'm telling you, the camera cannot pick it up, but this is again a new old stock. You can see these are still bent, and it's it has got some dust, but crazy condition. You can you use it with Commodore 64s, Amigas and all that, but you can also use it with Amstrad CPC 6, what does it, 864. We got a switch here, that's nice. But the other one is this switch. Now, when it's on R, then you're right-handed, and you can have it like this, okay? So the control here with micro switches. Oh, so nice control. I love this one. And here you have this small fire buttons, again with micro switches. Isn't that just brand new, guys? But if you're left-handed, you can just switch this one, and now the up and down will be reversed, also right and left. Then you can control with your left hand and fire here. Isn't that beautiful? That's a nice thing to do, man. And down here, it's a must for me. It has got the switch for auto fire on and off, which is just, I love that. So this fast video, I just want to show you some of my new old stock joysticks. They're just in incredible condition, and as all you all know, I haven't cleaned, no nothing. They were just in their boxes, that's it. As you all know, I just love to what's it called, to document as much Commodore 64 Amiga hardware as possible on YouTube. I just wanna show this and preserve it in this way. I don't know, some people take pictures, some makes a museum. I want to have everything on YouTube, guys. So this one's called QJ Megastar SV133. You know, playing with the right joystick for the right game is just everything. I mean, shoot 'em up games, I love to play with something like this. So precise, so perfect, so amazing with the ultra fire. When my friends are over and we play Sensible World of Soccer, then I don't prefer this. Then I actually prefer this for Sensible Soccer. But most of my friends, they see one of these Wico joysticks and they're just, hell yeah! So when we play, you know, what's this game? What that game where you throw a ball? Where they shout ice cream, Speedball 2, there's go. Speedball 2, again, these and Wico joysticks, but shoot 'em ups, something like this is just beautiful, guys. So I just want to say, quick video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, because if you have retro love in you, then you will just love to watch something like this. I'm sure of it, guys. So until next time, check out some of my other videos, guys. I'm gonna enjoy these beauties now. Have a great day. Bye.